Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I'm back with our Gratitude Journal open collaboration. This is hosted by Creating with Jovi, Lilo Crafts, and myself, Paper Confessions with Karamia. We had a wonderful first layout last Monday. We did collaging, and it was so wonderful to see what everybody did. I will be listing all the wonderful channels that also joined in the fun. Today, it's all about being thankful for friendship. And I have been really blessed through the years to have met such a welcoming and wonderful community of creatives here on YouTube that share my love for crafting, paper, shopping, and journaling. So this is what this two-page layout is about. The prompt for today is to create a belly band incorporated in a two-page layout in your journal. So we're inviting you to join in the fun. You can hop in, hop out, and join whenever you would like to. This is only a weekly entry, so I kind of like that format just because I know everybody's busy, and it's nice to look and reflect, through the week and be thankful for all the wonderful things that we have. So I am super thankful for you guys. I have so many friends that I know I've known through the years and have made some really wonderful new friends. And so what I'm doing today is I've printed out the channels that have participated last week, and I may have missed some. So if I don't mention your name, please forgive me. It's probably because I haven't had time to really see and see your entries. So make sure to attach the hashtag gratitude journal. That way it'll be easier for us to find our friends. So real quickly, I just want to do a shout out to our wonderful crafty friends. There's the shabby, hippie, sassy Southern North Carolina girl, fashionably 50-something and beyond, BB's Closet Creations. There's Coolie Craft Corner by Mimi with Love, Linda's Creative Life, Coffee Tea with JanetKay. So again, if I forgot to mention you, it's not because I might have missed the videos, so forgive me. All right, let's get into making the belly band. In the past, creating a belly band, I love using fabric snippets and paper snippets to create it, or just use a regular cutout from a scrapbook paper. And basically a belly band is just a little tuck spot that you can put in the middle of your page. It could be at the bottom of your page, horizontal or vertical, and it's a wonderful place to tuck in a floating journal card or some of your keepsakes like photos, postcards, and pictures. So we have one large page here and a smaller page with some music notes. Today I'm going to be using Jovi's digital kit. Check them out. I will link her Etsy down below. So unfortunately, my printer didn't do a good job in doing these wonderful images justice. So if you decide to print out her digital, I usually go to a UPS store or a FedEx Kinko store and get it printed because they have wonderful color printers. The one I have at home does not quite print well. But one hack that I know brings out the colors if your printout is a little dull is to laminate it, and that's what I've done here. I fuzzy cut it, laminated it, and you have these adorable woodland creatures on there. I love the snail and the squirrel and our hedgehog. Another piece from the digital that I laminated. I love foxes, so I went ahead and did this one. So this is my second belly band, but I also wanted to create a little tuck spot. So I just fuzzy cut this cute little squirrel and a mushroom and just did a little layering with some of her Dollar Tree trim and this beautiful piece here that's gifted to me by Carol from Crinkled Path. So thank you for that. And I also have another piece from her digitals. The cut parts are so adorable. So I laminated this and created a cute little journaling spot. The sheet is from Your Creative Studio, and then we have a little fabric pull. So that's what we have there. Now let's compose and see what we can do. Now I can see that this is kind of a little bit of an overhang. I don't really mind it. I kind of love using that. Could potentially be used as a little tab for your page. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on the side here and then attach it down. But let's just line them up so that way it is consistent. So you can see that this is also going over the page, which is fine with me. I think these are so cute, and you can see that the colors are giving life to your page. But before I do that, I have some of these stickers, and right now our images are flat, so I think we should create some dimension. Look at that cute deer. Let's see where we can put this cutie. I do not want to cover that snail. Let's see if she fits right here. And it looks like they have some stuff on their barrel. I see a mushroom, and then we have some pumpkins here. So let's add some of these. That will work. I love that. And our little mushroom guy. Let's see if that will either work. I'll just put it down here. Isn't that quick and simple? And then we just line it up right here. And then let's put some glue. And I'm gonna create a journaling card as well, so we can do a little insert. So let's glue this up. Let me just grab my glue. All right, so I went ahead and glued down our little belly bands, laminated belly bands using some digitals. Let's do a little test and see. This is the journaling card, so it's a little Prima flower packaging that I want to reuse. And we are going to see if it fits, or do I have to trim it? It is a little snug, so I may have to trim this a little bit. So here it is. That slides better. So it looks a little bit plain, and that's where we're going to bring in some of the other components. Leaves that fell on the ground. I want to put that on top of our journaling card. So let me just put this aside real quick. And what we'll do is, so to prevent it from fraying, what you can do, I usually have done this in the past, is put a little Mod Podge on your leaf, and it kind of protects the integrity of the leaf or the artwork. So we're going to do that right here. So I'm just going to, and then it also acts as a adhesive for all the other elements. And this one will dry clear, so I'm not too worried about seeing all the white parts on there. I'm going to do the back as well. And we are going to glue it down. Maybe that is a little bit thick there. Let's just see. We'll share with the other leaf. Just enough to keep it from getting brittle. And hopefully, yeah, it keeps the color intact. We'll find out next week if it does succeed. I know I've done it in my other nature journals, and it seemed to work, so I'm hoping it'll do the same in this one. So I'm just taking off a little bit more of that because we have quite a lot, and I'll put it on the back. So are you guys getting ready for Thanksgiving? It's going to be another wonderful week of getting together with the family if you are celebrating, and it's something our family looks forward to because we don't see the side of my husband's family year-round, so that's the one big holiday that we do get to see them. So that is something to look forward to, and when we do get together, it is definitely quality time, just kind of, you know, catching up, and also the girls getting to know their aunts and uncles and cousins because so much time has passed. And so now I'm going to glue this down right here. Just use our handy dandy glue stick, put that in place, and this guy right here. So I don't want to lay it too flat. I love the textures on the leaf. And then we are going to add the names of our friends that participated in this collaboration last week. So let me start off with the host. So there's Creating with Jovi. I saw this little letter, so I wanted it to look like just like all these pieces will just kind of come out of the envelope. So let's put some Mod Podge to hold them down on the leaf like this. And then we will do, where'd Lilo Crafts? There it is, Lilo Crafts. I'm excited to see what everyone's created this week. Everyone has different ways of creating their layouts. So I am excited to see what you guys have done. So I'm going to put the longer names probably towards the middle so that we can share the space here. Also met some new friends, and I'm sure you know all these channel names. Some of them are new to me and others are familiar. So I am just, how do we do this? Gonna add it. There you go. I don't want to cover certain details, so I'm trying to be aware and mindful of how I place these names on there. So I hope you guys are enjoying this little process. The weather has definitely cooled off here in our area. What's the weather like where you're at? Let's see, this one right here. I think we woke up and it was like 37 degrees in California, and that's pretty cold, but it's nice. Perfect for hot chocolate weather, sweater weather. This one I think will fit here. And then what we'll do is I don't want to cover, there you go, probably this way. I hope I'm not, I just want to have enough space here to push it down. And let's add our envelope. So it kind of look like this. I think that works. I may add a little ribbon there later. Let's let this dry and work on the other pieces, but you can see that we've used some of our fall leaves. And then we have some of the names of the channels and our friends that we're thankful for participating in this open collaboration. And again, this whole page layout and journal entry is going to be dedicated to all my wonderful friends that have been with me in the channel, have been really supportive, and you guys know who you are. So I'm like I said, I'm just not going to mention all the names because I know if I forget one, I don't want anyone to feel left out. So for this one, I've already put some double-side glue, and you have flat little paper here so that when you put a tuck and you tuck something behind it, it won't affect it won't get caught in there. So let me just line this guy up here. So we have that, and then we got a little tuck spot. And then for our cute little piece here, I have this wonderful envelope with mini stationery, so I may put that in there. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just fold this little piece of mini stationery And I'm just going to tuck it in as another little journaling spot that I can use in the future. Let me pull this big paper clip out and let's see how our journaling card is looking here. I may probably add just one more component here, maybe a really flat sticker. And then here's the back side. I could do a rub off sticker on this one. I do have some of these. So here's what the rub on transfer sticker looks like here, and it just completes our little journaling textured card here. Let me put one more on the back. So here is the back side. Added a little bit of the flat stickers and a rub-on transfer stickers from Dollar Tree. So I can do a journaling entry there. I can definitely write here. And that is that. So this is our belly band. So here is our 2-page layout incorporating our belly band. Today we created laminated belly band using these wonderful cut-aparts from Jovi's kit. I added some dimension by adding some of these adorable stickers. And we have created another tuck spot over here. Several journaling areas, actually 4. And then we created a little fun little collage of the names of all the channels that participated last week. And I hope they continue to join in the fun, and I hope you do too. Thanks again for Jovi for hosting this wonderful gratitude journal and for inviting me and Reina. We are really having fun. It's so wonderful to hear all your insights and your stories and to get to know you guys all better. So today, I am thankful for friendship. Wishing you all a wonderful week. I will see you again next time. Bye.